Hello guys, this is Zach Eatz. So I'm doing a food review here. My friend David, shout out to you. If you are in the area, go this Sunday. They believe they play 6 to 9 at Calamari's Squid Row. They have really good wings too, which I'm doing a review tonight at Hollidays. So you gave me the recommendation, so I'm going to do it, especially because it is a Thursday night football night in America. It's kind of like my voice. So I'm Bills. I'm going with the Bills tonight. My prediction of the score, it's going to be, I think it's going to be high score, and I think 34-24 Bills over Rams. Okay, because I think Josh Allen's he's out of this world. He's gonna be the next quarterback. It's gonna be great. He is gonna be the greatest quarterback that ever played the game. So, and if you guys, if I am right, you owe me. So, but besides that, I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna show you what the wings look like. And I'm gonna give my taste test and give my score of what I think of Doc Holliday's wings. And I got honey mustard, just to be honest with people. So, so maybe sometime I'll try the hot wings and see how they are, like the buffalo hot. So here we go. I'll come back here and show you what it looks like. Okay, these are the wings. So nice, firm, really good taste on it. They look really good. Not too much sauce, but quite a bit enough. The only thing I will say, it's not like a huge grape. Okay, hold on 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Again, I do apologize of ending the video short. If nobody knows me personally, my dog Lexi, she had like a heart attack before, and I thought she was going like in a panic attack again. So I do apologize. Didn't mean to like cut the video short, but when I saw it, I was like, need to take care of her, because you never know. But did take care of her, so everything should be good. So I just want to let you know that's why the video was cut short. So I'll come back again. I'm gonna take you what it looks like, so show you what it looks like. So I'll be back again. Okay, here I'm coming back again. So I didn't mean to cut it short. So these are what the wings look like. Very firm, really good sauce. So if you look right there, it tastes good. Really good. One thing I really do miss, and I think they have the best sauce in my opinion. This sauce is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Is Lakeside Waterford. I just miss that place so much, because it was like a place that I grew up in Waterford, but like they just had a unique way of making wings. So yeah, that's why I really miss that place. So we're gonna come back here, and I'll probably eat 2 wings, and then I'll tell you what you think of it. Okay, I'm back, guys, again. So we're going to try here. Here's what it looks like. It's a wing. If nobody ever ate wings, if you haven't, you live under a rock. So just saying. So here we go. We're gonna try here and tell you what I think of it. Okay. Very good. And then let's try another one, see if it's the same. You can't just go base off of one. So here we go. Okay. I won't eat the rest on camera. Let me get a drink real quick. Stands. It's Kool-Aid, by the way. Yeah, just put some. You can buy them actually in Dollar General. You just put water in it, put the Kool-Aid mix, and it's good. Only 5 calories. So it's a new thing I like. Actually, it's pretty cool. I'm getting my review on the wings at Doc Holidays now. So I will say, David, you are highly right. What I like about this wing, it has the crisp to it. The chicken itself has really good. It's not like stringy or it's not like old. It really tastes like, even after I haven't ate it right away, it still feels really, I mean, it tastes really good, like the chicken has been cooked really good. The sauce is good, everything on it. So yeah, I would give it a very high score. I'm gonna say this is probably the best wing in the area. I have to go to Buffalo sometime. Maybe if I go to that Goo Goo Dolls concert, I may ask Dr. David, see if there's a wing place nearby. But I would give this a place. I would give Doc Holidays. I'm gonna say I'll give it 9.6 out of 10. I think it's a really good wing. I don't know if I've given a wing that high of a score before, and I don't think I have. I think I've given 9.4, 9.5. I would say it's a really good wing. The taste of it, it's cooked thoroughly. It's not stringy, or it's not like, you taste some wings as you know it's not cooked. This one's cooked really good. The sauce is really good, very crisp when you bite into it. The meat is juicy. It's really good wing. So yeah. yeah, I'd say it's one of the best wings in Erie, in my opinion. This is what I don't know. People say the what was it? Not In and Out. One way in. I had the one time, and I this is one of this one's way better than that. But maybe that was just the one time I had it, so I might have to go back to One Way In and try them. But that is pretty much it. If you can, anybody new here, like, comment, subscribe. Even though I'm wearing Bill's hat, I'll still be your fan, even if you're a Patriots fan. But yeah, if you can, like, comment, subscribe, really appreciate. And the last thing I'll say to all you Zachy fans out there, just eat on and peace out.